Growing corn in containers is a fantastic way to maximize small spaces. It allows you to control soil conditions precisely. You can also protect your plants more easily from pests and harsh weather. Get ready to enjoy fresh, homegrown corn. Selecting the correct corn variety is crucial for container success. Look for dwarf or compact varieties specifically bred for smaller spaces. These types typically grow shorter, making them more manageable. Early maturing varieties are also a good choice. They produce ears more quickly, which is beneficial in containers. Read seed packets carefully to understand the mature height and days to harvest. Container size is paramount for corn. Each corn plant needs ample root space. Choose containers that are at least 15 to 20 gallons in size. Larger containers are always better if you have the space. Ensure your chosen containers have excellent drainage holes. Without proper drainage, roots can become waterlogged and rot. Terracotta, fabric grow bags, or large plastic pots all work well. Sweet corn is a heavy feeder and thrives in rich, well-draining soil. Do not use garden soil directly in containers. It compacts too easily and can introduce pests or diseases. Opt for a high-quality potting mix. Look for mixes specifically designed for vegetables or heavy feeders. You can amend your potting mix with compost or aged manure for added nutrients. You can plant sweet corn from seeds or small starts. If planting seeds, sow them about 1 inch deep. Space them approximately 6 inches apart within the container. For optimal pollination, corn needs to be planted in blocks, not single rows. Plant at least 4 to 6 corn plants per large container. This grouping significantly improves pollination rates. Consistent watering is vital for sweet corn, especially in containers. Container plants dry out much faster than those in the ground. Check the soil moisture daily. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid letting the soil completely dry out, particularly during tasseling and ear development. This can stress the plants. Sweet corn is a heavy feeder and requires consistent nutrients. Start with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer mixed into the potting soil. This provides a good base. Once plants are about a foot tall, begin regular feeding. Use a liquid fertilizer high in nitrogen every 2 to 3 weeks. Switch to a balanced fertilizer once tassels appear. Corn is wind-pollinated, meaning pollen from the tassels falls onto the silks. Planting in blocks helps the wind carry pollen effectively. However, container plants might need a little help. You can manually pollinate your corn for better results. Gently shake the tassels each morning to release pollen. You can also use a soft brush to transfer pollen from tassels to silks. Container gardening offers some advantages in pest control. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of pests like corn earworms or aphids. Early detection is key. For common pests, consider organic solutions like neem oil or insecticidal soap. Ensure good air circulation around your plants to prevent fungal diseases. Healthy plants are more resistant. Knowing when to harvest is crucial for peak sweetness. Look for ears where the silks have turned dark brown and dried out. The kernels should feel plump and firm when gently squeezed. Peel back a small section of the husk to check a kernel. If it squirts milky liquid when punctured, it's ready. If it's watery, it's too early. If pasty, it's too late. To harvest, grasp the ear firmly and twist it downwards. It should snap off cleanly from the stalk. Enjoy your homegrown sweet corn immediately for the best flavor. If your corn leaves are yellowing, it often indicates a nutrient deficiency, likely nitrogen. Increase your nitrogen fertilizer applications. Ensure proper drainage to prevent root issues. Poor pollination can lead to sparse kernels on the cob. This is usually due to insufficient pollen transfer. Remember to manually pollinate if you suspect this is the problem. Small ears can result from inconsistent watering or insufficient nutrients. Maintain a regular watering schedule and consistent feeding. Ensure your containers are large enough. Growing sweet corn in containers is a rewarding experience for any gardener. With the right variety, proper container size, good soil, and consistent care, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown corn. Don't be intimidated by the idea of growing corn in a small space. Follow these steps, and you'll be harvesting delicious sweet corn in no time. Happy gardening!